Hello everyone, Muhamad back with another video. Today I bring you something new to the channel today. Something quite actually funny just to try it. So I was going to the shop and I found out this really weird mouse. It was like, this is a nice mouse. And he was like, oh yeah, I can give it to you for a deal. I was like, yeah, okay. How much? I was expecting like $10, $8, something like that maximum. He was like, do you want it for $2? I was like, what? You serious? Are you giving me this RGB mouse, an accurate gaming mouse as it says right here? It's of course Chinese, as we can tell from the language down here, for like $2 or $3. I was like, yeah. I was like, I'm buying this. I'm buying this, man. Okay, so why did I buy it? Because I wanted to try the cheapest mouse that I can find and then compare it with the most expensive mouse that you can actually buy, or a really nice mouse, something like that, like a Glorious mouse, a Logitech mouse, a SteelSeries mouse, even a Corsair mouse, something like that. And aside, there's a lot of brands, but we'll try it like I don't know, the best one, something like that, in the next video. And I will do a review on each one, and I will do a review for them both together, and I compare them, which one is better and stuff like that. So okay, what is this thing? As you can see here, you're hearing my MacBook Pro fan down here. If you hear it, I don't know or not. So let's go on with this mouse unboxing. Of course, I took it out of the box to try it to see. So this is the box. A very cheap box, actually. Nothing important. As you can see here, there is no RGB, but when you flip it on this side, you can see the red light. Yeah, it does not have just a red light, it has a lot of colors. I have it down there. I don't know which color is appearing right now, because I don't want to show you what's on the other side of the desk, because I have a real terrible cable management and you don't want to see it. I will show you something a little. Damn, boy. Okay, I know I have some bubbles because of this thing. I don't know how am I gonna fix it, but yeah, I'm buying a new disc. So yeah, this is the box. Okay, so let's read. What does it say? Let me see the front, of course. So this is the front of the box, because yeah. Okay, so the name of it is the company Select R8 Expert the Extraordinary. Okay, it's a wired mouse, of course. Like, what do you expect for like $3 or $2? Okay, so this is its name, 1602. Let me do the focus. Accurate gaming mouse, and there's some Chinese or Japanese, something like that. If someone who knows how to translate these, please type in the comments. And it says for Windows and Mac system requirements. Okay, so this is for both systems. If you're running Windows or Mac OS, it's for both systems, which is really great for this price, because like you just want a mouse, something like that. Okay, let me see the side right here. It's just saying the same stuff on the front, but it's showing you some pictures, which is, what is this thing? Oh, there's a lot of type. There's white color, black color, LED, and normal. Okay, so you gotta check these before you buy it. And yeah, let's see the back. It's the same picture with no colors. Okay, let me see this side. Okay, so what does it say here? A lot of stuff in Chinese. Okay, and it says let me do the focus. Windows XP, Home Edition, Windows 7, Windows 8, of course Windows 10. System requirements. What is this? XP 7, Professional, Ultimate 8. Yeah, stuff like that. Just any type of Windows, you just plug it in. No one cares. Even you can connect it to your PS4, which is, this is my PS4 right here. This is my Elgato, to do some stuff like that. I have a video you can watch on it, have unboxing and stuff like that. As it says right here, made in China. Okay, let me just show you the mouse in a second. Alright guys, so I'm back. So this is the mouse. I should just pull it instead of making a new video. Yeah, okay, this will take some time editing, but hey, this is the mouse. Okay, this is the RGB mouse R8. Yeah, check out the colors, check out the mouse itself. Is this a button? No, this is a It's true or something like that. I don't know what they call it in English. Okay, but let me do the focus. Come on, come. Yeah, damn. Check out the light. Check out the LED in this cheap mouse. I will show you, not playing, not gaming, stuff like that, but I'll show you how you can like work with it, stuff like that, and yeah, you can just run it. So this is the colors. This is the mouse itself. We have 3 buttons actually. The right side, right click, left click, and the middle one. I don't know what people use it for, but yeah. Okay, on the side there's nothing. This is the laser, or what they call it, I think. Yeah, and there is nothing on both sides. Okay, so let me go to my monitor, which is I just bought like 2 days ago, something like that. By the time you're watching this video, it'll be like more than a week when I recorded this, because I upload every, you know, like, let's say I uploaded on day 2 of the month, then I will upload on the day the 4th of the month. Okay, stuff like that. So let me go back to my laptop and my monitor to show you how does this mouse work, and yeah. Okay, so this is, let me see, where's the mouse? This is the mouse right here. Let me just go to minimize this thing. I cannot use my hand to record and stuff like that. I'm uploading Battlefield 5. I was studying. Let me just close some stuff. I don't have a mouse pad right now because I didn't even bother to buy one. So yeah, this is the mouse, using it on, this is the Samsung monitor that I'll do a review on it. Maybe I'll do an unboxing like this, but yeah, okay, stuff like that, you know. Okay, so this is the mouse. Let me see what you can do with it. Okay, so just basically a normal mouse. You can do a lot of stuff like with it. I don't know what am I supposed to say, but like, let me check if it's good or not. Okay, remember, I said I don't have a mouse pad, so if you're gonna expect some like the mouse moving itself, stuff like that, yeah, because I don't have currently a mouse pad. Okay, so yeah, okay, so check it out. It's like very smooth. This is a normal mouse. Any mouse can do this. Any mouse, even a 1 cent mouse, 1 cent mouse, because like just a mouse, you know. So yeah, all right. So of course, this is a Samsung matte display. Yeah, okay, so this is a right click, this is a left click, and let me open up some Google and stuff like that. Okay, so what would you have? We have this window. I was playing a song, stuff like that. Okay, I'm uploading a video and editing. Actually, this is a Battlefield 5. You know, how do you spell this name or to say it? Actually, okay, so yeah, let me try to scroll with it and check out how does it work and stuff like that. So yeah, okay, so as I said, I upload every 2 days. Okay, so yeah, all right. Right now, I'm going to scroll with this $2 mouse. Okay. Okay. This is very smooth, actually. Oh, we're let down. Okay. Yeah, this is like so nice. Let me go to something that we can keep scrolling, like this thing. Okay. Yeah. I can keep scrolling, and it's pretty well. Like, there's no problem with it. Just loading on the screen on the YouTube thing. Yeah. It's like no mouse. This is what you can get for like, as I said, $2. So let me go up, and yeah, that's it. This is a song I was just playing. Okay, so if you go back to the YouTube, let's say, because I have a lot of stuff doing on it. So yeah, this is a quick review on the cheapest mouse. Yeah, I see videos in Arabic because I'm an Arab, if you don't know. Yeah, so yeah, this is me just scrolling with the new mouse. So this is the mouse, as I said. It's a really nice one. So yeah, okay, so what does it do else? Nothing. It's just a normal mouse. Okay, so I'll leave a link on Amazon to buy it if this is possible, or something very close to the price, like $2 or $3 or $5 maximum. This is the cheapest mouse in the world, actually. So yeah, with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.